Hey there, in this video I want to go over global footers, which are very similar to the last video, global headers. So let's look at a website that I built. This is an example of a footer down there. Here's another website, example of a really simple footer. We're going to actually do a very simple footer in this video. I'm also going to show you maybe how to use a template. So there's pre-made footers, call it a template footer. And there are the footers that I usually make from scratch. So now let's just log into the back office of thebestsitebuilder.com. Let's click on the Cheetah Builder. And we will access the site that I'm building for this training, which is right here, test demo. I'm going to click on edit site. Over here on the left-hand side, you can see footers. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click create new footer. And I'm going to name this main site footer. And I'm going to hit save. Now I'm going to edit the footer. Like I said, I'm going to do it a little bit different this time. I'm going to click add. I'm going to click panels. And I'm actually going to scroll down. There's all these pre-made panels, but I'm going to click on footers. And there's all these footers made. And I'm actually going to click on the one that was hiding behind me. So all I do is click on it, and there it is. If I want to edit it, I can just click in here. I could double click to actually edit the text. Let me just double click. That opens the text editor, and I could type in anything I wanted. If I wanted to delete something, I could click on it and click delete. If I wanted to delete that, I could delete it. What you see here is a blank box, and I'll talk to you about that more later. But I can click on it and delete it. I'm going to click on this and delete it. And I'm only doing this for example purposes. Okay, so now I want to add, and I want to add an element. And again, I want to try to add an image, because I might want to put a logo down there. I'm going to add this one right here. So I just drag it over like that. Now I can click on it, and I can click on edit. These images, the editor opens up. It says edit 3D image. I'm going to click on general settings. I'm going to click on change image. And I could add anything I want. I want to add one. I'm going to select my file. I'm going to pretend I don't have it uploaded yet. I want to load a JPEG this time, just to show you something. There it is. I click on save. There's my image. I could resize it and go like that. We're not going to talk about contact forms yet. But that's really all there is. So now I pretend that's my footer. I could click save. I could save it like that. To retouch on the last video, I want to click on the mobile view. And I might choose to move this up. Or not. I actually haven't really decided how it should look. For some reason, it didn't move up. Let's see if I can just move this down. So I can move it around that way, right? And that's it. Let me go back. Let me just click save and hit that's okay. Let me click this little house to go back to the site editor. Let's click on footers again. Let's create a new one. Main footer version 2. And we can build one from scratch. Edit footer. This time I'm going to add a panel and add a blank panel, just like we did last time for the headers. I can resize it. I can click on this text and delete it. I could click on the panel. I can click on the edit menu over here and I can add elements. I'm going to add an image. I'll do the 3D image this time. I can click on it. You can see it automatically open the editor over here. And I can just change the image. I could click on it and hit save. I could resize it. I could click on the panel itself. I could click on background settings. I could change the color. I could go straight white. And I could do that. I could resize it. And a bunch of other things. And I could hit save. I could hit that's fine. I could look at it on mobile view. And in this case, it's really super simple. And that's all I'm going to do. I mean, it's really the same concept as the global header. This time it's a global footer. I'm going to set that's fine. I'm going to go back to my site editor. If I had multiple pages, I could then choose which footer I add by clicking the settings button on each page. I could scroll down. I could click footer settings. And this time you'll see I have two options. The first one or the second one. I'm going to click that. I'm going to click version 2, hit save. And see if I can view the website yet. No, I can't because I haven't published it. This is as good a time as any. Right now my site is not published. I'm going to click publish, but I want you to remember the only thing right now is I have a header and a footer. So if I go to my website, I have a header, I have a footer, I have nothing in between. So I only did that as an example to show you. And in the next video, we're going to add our first real panel to the website. We're going to add a pre-made panel and we're going to add a panel from scratch. That's it. As usual, I invite you to like, comment, or follow if you're watching this on YouTube. My YouTube channel is called Builderall for Real Estate. Or find me on Facebook. I have a Facebook page, also Builderall for Real Estate. And I have a private Facebook group, Builderall for Real Estate. I look forward to hearing from you, meeting you, and helping you develop your business online using www.thebestsitebuilder.com. Take care and have a great day.